In our previous part I have showed that how many way you can get output in JavaScript in browser. Okay, now in this part I am going to show you that how to use browser developer tools. So especially in this tutorial I am going to show you about Chrome developer tools. Okay, so you can see in here previous tutorial I have write that console.log result equal to result hour, variable x equal to 15 and variable y equal to 30. If you are totally beginners, I will recommend that please check my all tutorial step by step, otherwise you cannot understand actually. Okay, so just run. Suppose I run Chrome, you can see no result because I have used here console.log for showing this result. I hope you already know about that. Inspect element or then console, you can see result is 45. Our result, then our result variable x plus y, 30 plus 15 equal to 45. Also you can go to from here settings and more tools and developer tools. Okay, you can see the same results. Now in this part actually I will show you that you already know that we can when use inspect element and we can see the HTML element and our CSS element. Okay, you can see our CSS background color DDD padding 10 pixel 0 pixel. We can live change from here. You can see if I change my background color, suppose I write blue, you can see color is already blue. But if I refresh this browser, you can see color is not effect, color has gone. You can see cause here we can test our CSS and tag for live changing, for live designing we can use this. But you need to must after changing here you need to must save in your document file. Okay, in here or external CSS that we use. I have write the internal CSS, you can see. That's tutorial purpose. I know you already know CSS, HTML, etc. However, so we can use this inspect element, I mean these tools, inspect elements, developer tools, element and CSS source code for live designing. Okay, you can see style for live designing. As like same in this CSS way, you can live test your JavaScript code from developer tools. Okay, for live code just go to the console.log. Here I have write this, you can see. But if I just comment out this and just all comment out. Okay, all comment out and you can see our result is 35. Just remove it, and in here suppose I write variable x equal to 15, variable y equal to 35. I am writing the same that you can easily understand. Okay, so if I write here variable suppose x equal to, I am writing the same that you can easily understand, x equal to 15 and variable y equal to 10. Suppose in here I write according to the same in my document, suppose variable x equal to 15 and variable y equal to suppose 10 and x plus y. You can see our result is coming 25. Okay, here you can see, but in document we can't see any kinds of results. Here already showing in console, you can see it's our developer tools for showing, I mean testing your JavaScript code live. Okay, but this code don't affect in your document. Okay, you need to write your code in document and then save, otherwise this JavaScript code will not affect in your document as like our CSS. Okay, when you code in CSS in inspect element by this developer tools, it will not directly affect on your document until you save your document that code. Okay, as like same you can test your JavaScript code in developer tools. Okay, also if you want to show these results in browsers, you can write here, suppose in here just write document. Document mean whole document. You can see when I have write the document, the whole document is selected. Okay, you can see. Then document dot write. Okay, document dot write, and here you can write x plus y. Okay, just enter. You can see 25 is showing. Variable x equal to 15, variable y equal to 10. I hope you understand. Also you can assign into another variable. Suppose if I write, just remove and write, suppose variable x equal to, I write same variable x equal to, suppose I write w coder zone, and variable y equal to, suppose I write learn.js. Okay, now if you want to concat this variable and assign into another variable, you can do that. Variable I write result equal to suppose x plus y. Okay, now if you want to show in your browser, you can write here, suppose document dot, simply just write, and in here just put your result. Okay, and you enter. You can see this is showing the previous cache results. Okay, and for that I hope if you refresh, then it will go. Just refresh, it has gone. And again if you write, suppose variable I write x equal to, I write a string below, I am learning JS. Okay, I am learning JS, and again variable y equal to, suppose I write with w coder zone. Okay, and then you can write another variable, suppose result equal variable x plus variable y. Okay, now if you want to show this result in your browser, just write document dot write. Okay, document dot write, and in here just put your variable results. Okay, and enter. You can see I am learning JS with w coder zone. You can see I am learning JS with w coder zone. But when you refresh, this result will vanish, cause it will not affect on your document, cause it's live testing. Just test your JavaScript code that actually work, or if you want to find your debug, and for that you can use the developer tools. Okay, as like CSS, but you need to must save your all data. You can see all data in your document for permanent changing or permanent result that you need. Okay, so I hope you understand. This is the basic thing, and in future you will learn about it more. Okay, it's a deep level programming factor, so I hope you understand.